Hello, this is Jack Milne with the House Whisperer Show. Every season literally has an off season. And what do I mean by that? I'm taking this time of year to prepare my house for the upcoming months. And the one thing I did was I took out all my screens. Now, I replaced my windows back in 1994, so my screens were starting to show a little bit of wear and tear. I also had a storm event almost a year or so ago where a lot of my screens got damaged. So I took this time of year to remove my screens, get them all redone, get them rebraced so that they'll all be ready. But one thing I noticed with my screens being out is that with the last rainstorm event we had, it was amazing how wet the windows became. So if you have screens, put them in. I know it allows a lot more unfiltered light into your home, makes your house a little bit more bright, more brilliant, but at the same time, the screen really stops about 80% of the moisture from hitting the glass. So your maintenance on your windows will be far less if you have your screens in. The other thing at this time of year to consider is roofing. Because once we start getting into the latter parts of spring and into summer, if your roof begins to leak, it's going to be a harder event to get a roofing contractor to jump immediately on your project. So get quotes now. The other thing that I always want my clients and folks to do is insulate. And this is another thing to do in the off season, because insulation is cheap. The investment is within 2 years of paying that bill, but there is something called battle pay. So once you start getting into the summer months, they're going to charge you more because the environment is a lot hotter. So take advantage of the off season. Take a look around your house. What can we do to prepare for the seasons that are soon approaching? So if you like the information, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.